Ba-ba-da, ba-ba-da-ba-da. Hi everyone, and welcome back to my channel. So if you don't know me and you're new here, my name is Jannine Agoncillo, and I do stuffs on YouTube. So this is my everyday look when I go somewhere, and if you want to see how I do it, just keep on watching. So I don't use foundation for this look, just regular baby powder. So yeah, keep on watching. So I'm using this regular baby powder to remove the oiliness from my face and to make it look fresh. Using a fluffy brush to brush off the excess powder from the face. I am using this petroleum jelly for my lips to keep it moist and not chappy. On to the concealing, I am using this darker shade for under my eyes to remove those dark circles. Using a beauty blender to blend all those concealer out. I'm using the lighter shade for my eyelids to make it lighter. On to the brows. I am using this brow brush to brow my hairs on the brows, of course. I am using this dark brown shade and a little bit of black to make it a little darker because the dark brown is not too pigmented for my thick brows. I am brushing it upward using the angled brush to make it look like hair. Now on to the brows. I am using this brow brush to brush the hairs of my brows, of course. Now I am using the lighter shade to conceal the mistakes that I've made while doing my brows and to make our brows look pop. The lighter shade is doing its work to highlight the brows. That's why it's gonna make it pop. I am connecting the concealer in between my brows to make my brows appear identical because our brows are not twins, they are sisters. Yeah. Now I am blending it carefully using my fingers. Yes, eyeliner time. So I am always going for a winged liner whenever I feel like it, but sometimes I don't wear eyeliner. But right now, I'm liking some eyeliner. So yeah, that's how I do my winged liner. I did the other liner off camera and concealed some mistakes and sharpened the edges. And now, onto the mascara. The last part, onto the lips. I am using this matte liquid lipstick and it looks like a chocolate. Yeah, I am just putting it in between the lips and just smudging it out using a brush to make it gradient effect. I think kind of, yeah, just yeah. So I'm adding more in between of my lip to make it look darker and than the edges, and it would look like just ate a chocolate, but sexy, I think. Yeah, so good job for making this far. So this is my finished look, and this is how I look every time I go somewhere. Yeah, so if you like it, subscribe for more, give it a thumbs up, 10 likes, 5 likes if you want to see me in glitter. Yeah, bye. If you want a good girl, then goodbye.